everyone, and welcome back to the channel. And if you're new, welcome to the channel. I'll be putting out a video on how to model the Corsair. And in that video, I showed you one way how to model the wing, but I never did like that way of doing that. Just sweeping it. The wing was too thick in areas and everything. So I decided to make a video on this, just this wing here, showing you guys how to do this, because one of my subscribers asked how they would go about getting this wing like this. Let me turn on the canvases so you can see how to get this wing to curve up in here like this. And the way I showed you in the, well, when you watch my next video on this, I'll show you how to model this Corsair. The areas right here are just too thick as it goes out. So I'll go ahead and show you guys how I did this to make this like it is, how it should be. Okay, here. Now, what I did, turn the canvases back on here. And this is done by surface modeling. This is. So what I ended up doing is looking at the wing here. See where it breaks? Like right here. And up here. So what I am doing there is putting two construction planes directly at those places where the that breaks in there like that. So this plane goes through here, and this plane goes through here. Now, once I did that, then I drew the airfoil. Now, once again, like I said, if you do have a shape you want to use, go ahead and use that airfoil shape, the one that you're going to use. And so what I ended up doing, I turn this time turn off the canvases and turn off the body so we can look at this much better. So what I ended up doing, as you can see, is drawing or sketching 3 airfoils here on this plane and the one, the original one in the center of the aircraft. So once you have these planes in here, then you just create a sketch on this plane and sketch this. Then the next one, you'll create a construction plane here, then sketch this one here. And also what I ended up doing, the line, actually it'd probably be better just show you guys how to do this all together. So I'll do it again. Okay. Turn these canvases on. Turn the sketches off. Okay. So like I said, get the planes in here where they should be, where this actually breaks, and this does also. Then we're going to create a sketch on this plane here. Then I'm going to draw a line or sketch a line from here to here. And look at this from the top. Move this in here. And we have that. Next, you will draw your airfoil. But want to make sure by looking at this, your airfoil, it's at the top, comes to the top of here. Like that. Then the next one, finish this sketch. Then we're going to create a sketch on this plane here. And same thing, create that line again. Look at that from the front, where that line is. And as you can see, the line is sort of low, so the line needs to go up. Still a little low, go up a little more. Okay, that's fine. Now, look at the line from the top. That back. Move this up here. And we draw the airfoil again. Like I said, these are just arbitrary. And as you can see, this is too high here. So bring this down. And it needs to come down a little more. Okay. That looks good. Go ahead and finish sketch. Now we have these two here. And go ahead and turn the canvases off here. And surface, loft. And make sure this is unchecked. And I loft from there to here. And click OK. And there's the loft that we just did. And let's turn the canvases back on and see what that looks like. Okay. Now this line here can come down just a little bit. Really no big deal there. And within the sketches here, I want to find the airfoil that I drew here. I can turn off the canvases. Okay, there's the airfoil that we used there. And we just loft from here to here and click OK. And once again, like I said, if this switches on you, the color wise from the inside to the outside, just come up to modify and reverse normal. Okay. Now we have that. Turn the canvases back on, and you can see now this matches this. This line over here just needs to come down a little bit, the profile of it, which is no problem when I drew that or sketched it. Now also, I'm going to delete this loft. Okay, I deleted those lofts. Going to create a sketch on this plane here. Turn off the canvases for now. And 3D sketching is on. Not sure this is going to work, but anyway, it was something I was going to try, but not going to do that. So what we're going to do here is loft these again all in one. And to here. Now that's odd looking. Very odd. But anyway, no biggie. What you do is just loft them one at a time. So we're going to loft from here to here and click OK. And loft from here to here. Oh. Okay, make sure this is unchecked. Then loft from here to here. And that'll give you that. And click OK. Turn these sketches off. Yeah, But anyway, I just wanted to show you guys a surface lofting this wing, because the next video on this Corsair that I show you guys, I'll go ahead and show you how to model it. But the wings, the way I did it there, didn't turn out as well as I wanted them to. So I went back and did it again, but this time I used surface modeling, and so we'll look at that. Okay, and there's that wing, how I did that. So there is that. Okay. But anyway, this is the start of the Corsair that I'm going to show you guys how to model. And my very next video that I come out with after this one. But I just wanted to show you guys this wing first, because when that video comes out, you'll know how to do the wing already. So yeah, and this is it so far. So we have that. Which is looking pretty good though. So yeah, so that's going to do it for this video, and stay tuned for the very next video where I show you guys how to start modeling this Corsair here. And this is taking longer than I wanted it to, this Corsair, because it's not as easy as some of the other planes that I have done. And so I still have to do the canopy up here, show you how to do the canopy and stuff like that. And the next video, I will not be showing you, I think I showed you guys how to do the canopy. I may have, I'm not sure, but I need to do some more lining up of stuff also. So it's going to be, excuse me, this is going to be a three-part video. For this one here, I just showed you guys how to do the wing here. And then the next one, we show the fuselage and the way I did the wing there, but I didn't like the way those wings turned out. And this looks a lot better than those, the one in the next video that you'll see. But yeah, but anyway, I hope you guys like this video here, and if you do like it, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And also invite you to join my Patreon site and my Facebook group. Both are called CAD Build Fly RC. Go over there and have a look at both of them. And yeah, so that's going to do it for this video, and we'll catch you in the next one.
Subscribe for more.